Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a bike check on the Trek Fuel EX8, my brand new bike. This is my bike. It's a Trek Fuel EX8 2022. It's made of platinum aluminum. It's got Bontrager branded bars, stem, grips, seat, dropper post, hubs, wheels, and that's it. So for the suspension on this bike, we have in the front a Fox 34 suspension fork with 140 millimeters of travel. The shock is a Fox reactive shock with 130 millimeters of travel. It has SLX hollow cranks. It has a Shimano 30-tooth chainring. It has a Shimano Dior XT derailleur with a clutch. Keep that chain nice and tight. It has a Shimano Dior XT cassette, 12-speed, 10 to 52 tooth. It has an 180 millimeter rotor on the back, and in the front it has a huge 203 millimeter rotor. It has Shimano hydraulic disc brakes, dropper post, Bontrager XR5 team issue tires, 29 by 2.5, and they're tubeless. And last thing, it has Dior XT shifter, and I put on a Bontrager twist bottle cage. So that's my bike. I love it. It's a really nice bike. It's really fun. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.